Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about prokaryotic inclusion bodies. In this video, we are going to discuss about the basics of eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells, the word eukaryotic is made up of two words, eu meaning true and karyo meaning nucleus. So these are the cells which have well organized, where well organized nucleus is present along with a proper nuclear membrane. These cells also contain membrane-bound cell organelles. Membrane-bound cell organelles are also present, such as endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, etc. The ribosomes are of ATS type ribosomes which are present in the cytoplasm, that is cytoplasmic ribosomes are of ATS type, whereas those seen in mitochondria and plastids are of 70S type. So the mitochondria and plastids ribosome, they are very similar to the prokaryotic ribosomes. Now flagella if present are made up of tubulin protein whereas flagella in bacteria, flagella in prokaryotes, it is made up of flagellin protein. Respiratory enzymes that help in the oxidation of substrate, they are found both in cytoplasm as well as mitochondria. Whereas in case of prokaryotes, since mitochondria is absent, all the respiratory enzymes are present only in the cytoplasm. Cyclosis, which is also known as cytoplasmic streaming, which means the movement of cytoplasm from one point to another inside the cell is present. This is absent in prokaryotes. Vacuoles are usually present. Vacuoles are present in plant cells. The structure of vacuole we will discuss in further discussions. Furthermore, the eukaryotic cells show the presence of true chromosomes, which are formed by condensation of the chromatin material during the dividing stage of cell. These chromosomes, why are they known as true chromosomes? Because DNA is associated with histone proteins. DNA here is associated with histone proteins. Examples, we have all protozoans, animal cells, kingdom Protista, fungi, plants. These are all examples of eukaryotic cells. Now eukaryotic cells, they may be haploid, diploid or polyploid. They may be cells, may be diploid, that is 2n chromosomes, haploid, that is n, or may be polyploid, that is xn. Whereas prokaryotic cells, they are generally considered to be only haploid. So with this, we are finished with the basics of eukaryotic cells. See you in next video.